Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to draw an inverted drawing and the sketch is done, so let's jump into it. Friends, I'm so curious about this artwork because I have done several artworks in several mediums, but this artwork is kind of tricky. I want to figure out how the inverted drawing would be because it is very easy to draw by seeing an inverted picture, but I don't want that. I want to figure out how an source picture would be if we inverted that. It is kind of tricky, but it is awesome, and while doing that it was so fun and it was so enjoyable to draw. If anyone wants to try this, just try it. It will be so fun. Then friends, please stay till this video end and it will be great, and I hope it will blow your mind a bit. Friends, as I said, it is an inverted drawing. Usually an inverted picture, it is the same as a negative picture, but it will have some more colors than a negative picture. You can see in between I'll be doing some inverted things and you can see how it would be. And yeah, after watching this video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. And friends, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. It will be great. And yeah, in addition, please do post in your stories and status all these things. I'll be so happy to that. And friends, keep on supporting. There are lot more way to go. I'm just blabbering on this. Just late night. Yeah friends, you can see here, and yeah, the process is continuing. Enjoy this video friends. Friends, as you can see, I'm just going to complete this artwork, and as I said, I'm using some white gel pen and mono zero eraser at some point, but it is not significantly important. And yeah, this drawing doesn't need much blending also. So here's the drawing friends. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you're not yet subscribed already, please do subscribe and support me. Thank you so much for watching friends. See you on the next video.